different working sector groups, there are different ministries that are involved in this. This being the first budget of this administration, maybe what are some of the key drivers, without preempting the CS's speech later on, what are some of the key drivers or some of the key issues that you want to look at or tackle with this year's budget?
First of all, this government came in at a time when the country is facing multiple shocks, both external and internal. External in the sense that we have a number of, like the COVID-19, then the Ukrainian war. So the huge shock, what we call perfect storm. You've been hearing about that. Then here, climate change, which we have a lot of impact. So within that context, and the government is coming in having promised, it presented its manifesto. And so the manifesto of Kenya Kwanza is what forms the key priority in this budget. And the minister is going to be stipulating the areas of priority. I don't want to preempt now. But the Kenya Kwanza, what we call bottom-up economic transformation, better, is what is going to form the basis. So we provide the policy framework, and then the context in which we are preparing this budget, and then the policy priorities that we would like the resources that we have to focus on. And those, so the policies that we have come up with are now getting the budget. And that is what the minister is going to be presenting on how much he has given to policy areas that we have given. Then he is going to now present to us the measures, how he is going to raise resources to finance what is in the budget. And of course, you have the finance bill, which is already before Parliament, and other measures